Welcome back. You're watching the Late Night News. Now, do you think you can shop or chill out with friends only at a mall or restaurant? Well, now it's time for change. The local MRTS station will be in for a makeover. Our reporter Ashmit Kumar tells us what the experts have to say.
As a modern transport system for a metropolitan city, the mass rapid transit system has fallen short of expectations on many counts. However, if the authorities are to be believed, things are beginning to change for the better. The Southern Railway has finally begun to act on a 20-year-old plan of exploiting the space available at the MRTS stations. Even as the real estate sector continues to take a beating, the Railways is bullish about its plan to develop stations as commercial hubs.
There are certain stations which are now itself in a very prominent and strategic location, as you said. But other stations also, once the traffic picks up and once the city develops in a few years' time, it may become a congested area and also a very and it may be a very good area from commercial point of view.
Real estate consultants too see a unique opportunity and are backing the plans.
Location-wise, most of these MRT stations are within the city, so location is very good for most of the stations. In terms of catchment, extremely good catchment. You have upper middle class, upper class, middle class, all around these stations.
Offering access and location as the USP, the Railways believe that the stations have much to offer to the potential clientele. Even the early indicators have been positive, and the railway authorities pointed to a positive feedback from the markets.
A large number of retailers and office people, bank people, private offices, they have in fact inquired.
However, experts warn that the oversupply of commercial space could act as a dampener. They also advocate for a research-oriented and planned approach for tapping the markets constructively. Moreover, the problem of slow pace of work compounded by a bureaucratic regime acts as a major hindrance. The onus is now on the authorities to ensure that the plans stay on track. From Chennai, this is Ashmit Kumar for NDTV Hindu.
Well, on to some national news now. Barely 2 days after Congress MP Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy started his controversial Odarpa Yatra, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister K. Rosaya, who was against the Yatra, has told NDTV that Jagan is young and needs proper advice. UPA chairperson has also said to be unhappy with the Jagan's Yatra, but Rosaya says Jagan is free to go on this trip.
According to him, I have not inquired from any other source. According to him, he says Srimati Sonia Ji, President of the Congress Party, is not inclined for this type of yatra. He further said, still I am going. That means he is an young boy with a lot of future. He needs proper advice. I don't think this is a very serious matter which will be considered by the Congress High Command as a defiance.
Now, a day after Kanpur boy 8-year-old Aman died on the way to the hospital after having delayed by the Prime Minister's convoy, UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi has expressed concern over the matter and has asked for action to be taken. In a letter to Sonia Gandhi, Aman's mother had stated that roads had been blocked for the PM's visit to IIT and claimed the diversion turned what should have been a 5-minute journey to a hospital a kilometre away into a 1-hour drive, because of which the kid died. UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi has now asked for the action to be taken. Now, it may well be a pressure tactic, but sources say that the NCP is sending out a strong message to its ally at the centre, the Congress, by announcing that it plans to team up with the CPM in Kerala for assembly polls. NCP also says it's similar to similar political fronts in other states like Orissa and Uttar Pradesh. So far, the Congress has refused to respond to the revolt. Does this set the stage for a split within the UPA? Well, sources say the NCP's decision is aimed at sending a strong message to the Congress that it cannot be ignored.
We would have liked to be with the Congress, but the Congress does not want us. So we will have alliances with the secular party.
Well, time to take a short break, but on the other side, Klose is a goal away to making history. Will he manage to create a record despite his injury? More on the other side.